Start with removing the 3 T20 torque screws securing the steering column cover. Disconnect the lower half of the steering column cover. Remove the connector from behind the push to start button by pushing on the tab. Now connect the OBD2 T-harness. Disconnect the vehicle's OBD2 connector and connect the T-harness inline. Here is some video from a similar vehicle. Push the tabs to release the vehicle's connector. Feed the CAN connector to the opening and connect it to the OBD2 T-harness. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle's ignition switch connector. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle's ignition switch. You can secure the module in this opening over here.